In today's episode, we're making a batch of curry pickled eggs. These spicy pickled eggs will be the rage of your party. They are reasonably quick and easy to make and will last for months in your refrigerator if you can resist the temptation to shnack them all down, that is. To start, prick the base of each egg with a pin. This allows the egg to expand in the shell without cracking the shell while it is boiling. Place the eggs in a large pot and pour in enough water to cover them by an inch over the top. Place the pot over high heat and bring it to a boil. As it starts to boil, start your timer and boil the eggs for 8 minutes. After this time, remove the pot from the heat and transfer the eggs to a sink filled with cold water. I've used a full tray of 30 eggs, knowing that I may lose a few on the way due to breakage or damage while peeling. And yes, I have already lost one due to breaking while pricking the shells. Allow the eggs to cool in the sink while you continue with the curry pickling sauce. Chop the onions into quarter rounds. You want 800 grams of onion after it has been cleaned and chopped. You will need 9 bay leaves, measure out 600 milliliters brown vinegar, 375 milliliters filtered water, weigh out 270 grams brown sugar, 22.5 milliliters turmeric, 75 milliliters curry powder. You can use the curry powder of your choice, mild, medium or hot. And last but not least, 7.5 mils Himalayan rock salt, 12 black peppercorns and 6 whole allspice. Place these ingredients in a large pot. Bring the pot to a boil, lower the heat and simmer for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Towards the end of this time, dissolve 60 milliliters or 4 tablespoons cornstarch in a little water. When the 10 minutes is up, add the cornstarch slurry to the pot and stir it in. Allow this to cook for a further 2 minutes while the sauce thickens. Remove the pot from the heat. By this stage, the eggs will be cool enough to handle. Peel the eggs and rinse them under cold water to get rid of any small shell fragments. During this process, I lost another egg which did not peel properly. Now that leaves 28 eggs. You will need 2 1.5 litre bottles or a single larger 3 litre bottle. I've sterilized my bottles in the dishwasher. Start bottling by pouring an inch of curry sauce into each bottle. Top this with 4 eggs, followed by another inch of sauce, and so on until the bottles are full. Push the last eggs at the top of the bottles down to ensure that they are covered by the pickling sauce. Any sauce that is left in the pan, I normally bottle in another bottle to use with the eggs when I serve them. I like a lot of sauce, so it never goes to waste. Place the lids on the bottle and allow the bottles to cool completely before refrigerating. Although you can enjoy these immediately, the flavor and color of the eggs will improve dramatically by allowing them to age for a couple of days before serving. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again real soon.